how to buy TrapStar22 token. So this token, it came under the symbol of TRAP22. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 20 hours ago and increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. And now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough SOL in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So as this is also, you can click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see here. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select a provider by clicking on pricing. Click on provider, select distributor, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the distributor provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy TRAP22. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.